Hello children, in previous class we have started lesson number 6, languages, food and clothing. In today's class let's discuss all states languages, food and clothing. First one, Andhra Pradesh. For the men the traditional dress is their dhoti and kurta, and for the women it is the saris. This is the clothing of Andhra Pradesh state. Next one, Assam. Assam has a rich culture and custom. Its dresses incorporate golden silk fiber or muga. It is extremely hard not to see a woman wearing muga. You can see this picture, how they dress up. Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, ladies wear a sleeveless kameez with a weaved full sleeves coat alongside a slip-on skirt. Children, in this picture you can see Bihar is also known as the land of Buddha, has their traditional attire as dhoti and kurta for men and tassar silk saris for the women. In this picture you can see Bihari's clothing. Next, Chhattisgarh. Men generally wear habas, kotals, abud, mariyas and so on, and also they wear dhotis and headgears like cotton turbans. The ladies wear knee length or full length saris. Next, Goa. The traditional outfits of Goa people are fundamentally similar to different states of South India. For the most part, ladies wear a sari which called navvari. The sari is studded with valuable stones and gems and pano bhajo. Men generally stick to the basics. Next, Gujarat. There, ladies typically wear saris or salwar kameez. In rural parts, men are found to wear dhotis and kurtas or bandis. Next, Haryana. For the men, the traditional attire primarily consists of dhoti, kurta or shirt, pagri and jutis for the shoes. Whereas the women, they wear generally a shirt along. Next, Himachal Pradesh. Men generally wear dhoti and kurta or churidar. Women, they wear kurtas, rahide and ghagra lehenga. In Jammu and Kashmir, Fairan is the most famous dress both for men and women. In Jharkhand, the traditional tribal clothing for men is called the bhagwan, which is one piece cloth, whereas for non-tribal men, they wear shirts. For women, it is sari and blouse. Next, in Karnataka, you know, Ilkal sari and Mysore silk are very renowned. Dhavani is a conventional outfit for the females. Men, they wear dhoti, known as panche. In Kerala, the lungi, also known as kaili or kalli mundu, is worn by the men and women. Women also adopt for saris. In Madhya Pradesh, men are here generally wear dhoti with kurta or shirt and safa, a kind of turban. Women stick to lehenga and choli as well as odni to cover the head. In Maharashtra, for men, the traditional clothes include dhoti also, known as dhotar and petha. For women, it is the choli and sari, locally known as navvari sari or lugda. In Manipur, from picture only you can see children, women wear their traditional costume as dhoti with jacket and a white turban called pagri. As women, they wear inafi and fanek, which is worn like a sarong. In Mizoram, men in Mizoram dons a cloth around 7 feet long and 5 feet wide, puran, which has black and white shades. It is generally paired up with the ponchai. In Meghalaya, for women, the traditional costume is Jainsen. You can see here picture. They wear jacket of a turban. Men. In Nagaland, women usually wear white and blue cloth with black marginal bands of breadth. And also they wear sleeveless top known as vachi and the skirt. Men in Nagaland, they also wear. Next, in Odisha, women in Odisha generally wear kataki sari and sambalpuri sari, whereas men stick to dhoti, kurta and gamucha. In Punjab, the traditional dress for men is kurta and thaimat, pajama, and for women, the traditional dress is the salwar suit or ghagra. Rajasthan, men in Rajasthan wear dhotis or pajama kurta. Women stick to ghagra and kanchli, top. They cover their face. In Sikkim, the dress for both men and women are almost similar, with the men wearing bhaku with a pair of loose trousers and a leather belt, while women belt this outfit for silk blouse which is full sleeved, known as honju. In Tamil Nadu, women in Tamil wear culture sarees, full length short blouse and shawl style as a style, half saree. Men generally wear shirts and lungi. In Telangana, women here prefer sari as their traditional attire, whereas men generally wear dhoti and kurta. Here in picture you can see. Next, in Tripura, men in Tripura generally wears loose cloth resembling towel, also known as rikutu. Uttar Pradesh, women wear saris and salwar kameez. For men, they wear kurta and lungi or kurta pajama for this traditional wear. In Uttarakhand, women wear a long skirt known as ghagri along with a choli and odhni. Men wear dhoti or lungi along with a shirt. Next, in West Bengal, women love to wear sari as their traditional attire, whereas for the men, they generally pick Punjabi along with a dhoti or sometimes lungi as their traditional outfit. Now let's discuss the state's dish. In Maharashtra, misal palav is famous. In Punjab, makki di roti and sarson da saag. Makki roti is a cornmeal Indian bread that tastes fabulous with sarson saag. This is a food of these states. In West Bengal state, which is famous, kosha mangsho, a velvety gravy with juicy pieces of meat served with the maida. Next, in Gujarat, dhokla is very famous. Dhokla is a vegetarian made form a fermented batter of rice and split chickpeas. In Kashmir, rogan josh. Next, in Tamil Nadu, pongal. Veg pongal is the rice lentil. Next, Assam, papaya khar. Bihar, litti chauka. In Himachal Pradesh, dham. Dham is a famous dish. Andhra Pradesh, putha rekulu. Next, in Telangana, biryani is the most famous dish. Food. In Goa, fish curry is the famous food. Their food style, Uttarakhand, kafuli. In Tripura, chakvi. It is also one of the healthy food. Manipur, kangshoi. In Meghalaya, jadho. In Kerala, appam. It is type of pancake. In Madhya Pradesh, bhutte ka cheese. It is a spicy food. Rajasthan, dal bati churma. It's a traditional Rajasthani food. Next, in Haryana, bajre ki khichdi. In Arunachal Pradesh, tufka. It is like a boiled noodles. Sikkim, momos. It is a type of South Asian dumpling. In Karnataka, bisibele bath is famous with the sambar. Nagaland, pot with bamboo shoots. In Mizoram, misa mash pura. In Odisha, channa poda. Chhattisgarh, chilla. Jharkhand, ragda. It is also known as futka. In Uttar Pradesh, kebab. Simple treats made deep fried. Next, children, here you can see. Now we have discussed their clothing and about food. Now languages. In Andhra Pradesh they speak language Telugu. Arunachal Pradesh English. Like this, here are some states and capitals. In middle they have mentioned language, which language they speak. Maharashtra Marathi, Manipur Manipuri, Meghalaya English, Mizoram Mizo, Nagaland English. Like that. In Tripura Bengali, English and Koko Borok. Uttar Pradesh Hindi, Uttarakhand Hindi, West Bengal Bengali. And here beside this you can see their capitals. And these are the union territories of India: Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar nothing but Daman and Diu. Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, these are the union territories. And you can see here these languages. Next children, in your book they have given, in today's class what we have discussed, different styles of living. Indians have different kinds of food and clothing. Now just we have saw the pictures. Read about these peoples born from different parts of India. Children, here they given, Assalamu alaikum, I am Afshan. Oh, who is this? From Jammu and Kashmir. Their language Kashmiri and Urdu. Their dressing, clothing is Ferran. Their famous food is kulcha and Rogan Josh. Next, Khamma Ghani, I am Murli. Who speak like this? In Rajasthan. Their language is Hindi or Rajasthani. Their clothing is bright turban cotton. Agar khanda and dhoti. Their dish is dal bati. Like that you can see here Nagaland. In Maharashtra, how they speak. Next in Goa, how they speak? Hello, I am Julie. In Goa, English, Konkani and Portuguese they speak. And their clothing is cotton frock. Their dish is Vindaloo, meat in a curry. Next, Vanakkam, I am Karthik. Who speak? In Tamil Nadu. Their language is Tamil and English. They wear mundu. Their famous dish is Idli. Namaskara, I am Lakshmi from Karnataka. Their language is Kannada. Clothing is sari. Bisibele bath is the famous. Here they have given in your textbook. You have to write their children. The different languages, types of food and clothing make India diverse. Diversity means a variety of range of different things. Children, here you can see everything. States, Rajasthan. Capital, Jaipur. Their language, Marwari. Dress, photo, dhoti and kurtis. Their food, festival, like this. Here the chart. So in next class we discuss more about the diversity.